Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects to be treated as instances of their parent class, enabling code to work with objects of multiple types. It can take the form of method overloading, multiple methods with the same name in the same class, and method overriding, providing a specific implementation in a subclass. Here is an example. We have created class with the name animal, and inside it we have a method with the name makeSound. Now we have created another class with the name dog, and that extends the class animal. Here we are doing the same thing with another class which is with name cat. So, the makeSound method we are using multiple times. In Java, static polymorphism is based on method overloading, and dynamic polymorphism is based on method overriding. For better understanding, please read the definition multiple times and analyze the code. See you again. Thank you.